Hi everyone, I'm Tony with Fuel to Flame, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this spicy venison Italian sausage Stromboli. I decided to switch it up a little bit today. We're going to go spicy and Italian American food. What better than pizza and Strombolis? So this is the creation that I came up with. It's really good, simple to make, great way to use up venison. Let's get cooking. We're going to start by working on our homemade Italian sausage seasoning. We're going to go some brown sugar, salt. Now remember, the full recipe is down in the description, so make sure you check that out for all the measurements. Some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Cap still on that one? There we go. Some crushed red pepper flake if you don't want it as spicy. You just bar it out. Italian seasoning. And some paprika. This seasoning that we just made up will do about a pound of the venison Italian sausage. Here, I'm only going with a half a pound today for our Stromboli, so I have just enough seasoning to do a half a pound. I'm going to mix this in. If your venison does not have fat into it, you want to add some. You can go beef fat, or you can go tallow, or pork lard, or even bacon. The choice is up to you. Got this mixed up. We're going to let this sit for like 10 minutes or so, just to let those flavors come together, and then we're going to cook it up. In a saute pan, I'm going to heat up a few tablespoons of oil. Get that nice and hot. Go in with our venison and saute this up till it's nice and brown. Sausage is done. We're going to set this aside and let it cool down as we work on the rest of the Stromboli. Now we're going to get started on our dough. Take a little bit of flour, spread that out, grab our dough. I have store-bought dough here. Nothing wrong with that at all. Actually helps and saves time. We get this covered with flour. We're actually going to break this into two. Set one aside. We're going to start stretching this out. You could use a rolling pin if you want. You don't have to. I like to go pizzeria style. I just give it some folds. Not folds, sorry. Some stretches like this. The key to that is having it well floured. If you're also interested in checking out more of our content, you can head on over and check us out on Facebook at TaggedOut. You can also check out some of our awesome Tagged Out gear at shop.taggedout.com. We drop exclusive content on Facebook, so make sure you check that stuff out. Pick yourself up some awesome gear. But let's continue the Stromboli. All we're doing is stretching and pulling. Now this does not have to be an exact shape. It's going to be a Stromboli. We're going to make it the way we want, but closer to a rectangle is better. Now if you get any tears in it, all you have to do is pinch them back together and push it down. It's not that hard. Going to stretch this out, and we're going to fill it up. Going to go down with a little bit of our sauce, right there. A little bit of cheese. Now your toppings, you can do anything you want. We also need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to go some pepperoni. Load this baby up. Some of our venison sausage. Like I said, stack it. Some peppers. Some banana peppers. Onions. A little bit more cheese. Now we're going to fold it over, stretching that dough slightly. Now there's many ways to crimp this. If you want, you can tuck and roll, just like that. Makes it look a little bit prettier, but you're also going to be left over with like, it's very doughy right there. Or you can go through with your fork and just kind of press it down as well. That's going to flatten it, and then come in, pull and roll, pull and roll all the way across. We have an oil sheet tray here. See how I can do this real quick. Pick this up carefully, set it onto our sheet tray. Try to keep that shape. Come through, make a couple little slits so it can vent. We're not done yet. We're gonna make a garlic herb butter to go on top of this. We have some melted butter. We're gonna go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasoning, some crushed red pepper flakes for a little bit more spice. Stir this up real quick. Grab our Stromboli. Brush this on top. Now we're going to place this in our 375 degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. And there you go. Check it out. Beautiful, spicy venison Italian sausage Stromboli. Let me set this up. We're going to dig in and get a bite. All right, let's dive in. Got a piece right here. Get a little bit of sauce. If you want, you can use a spicy marinara or a garlic ranch or a butter garlic, whatever you want. Let's dig in. Oh man, all over me. That so good. That beats any Stromboli I've had in any restaurant. So much flavor. That dough is great. You got that crust with the butter garlic sauce that we made on the outside, the flavor from the venison and the Italian herbs and the seasoning that we made, the pepperoni, the hot pepper rings, just lifts it all up. This is really great. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and our website, shoptaggedout.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week.